In today's lesson, we will study about passing a list as argument. In the previous lessons, we have passed in functions single value arguments and single variables. We have passed keywords, multiple variables, but how can we pass a list as an argument? We will learn this in today's lesson. I have written a function here with the name of my function. In this, I have passed a parameter food, made a list which we have to pass as an argument. We have written three different names of fruits. We pass this list as it is. If I have to print food as it is, then we will see what output it will show. Print food, it will treat complete list and will show the list as output. If we have to treat single index, then we have to place a loop to handle it. We placed a loop on food list and printed the three fruits separately. This is our for loop which we have already studied. If we want to control its iteration, it has given an error. List object cannot be interpreted as an integer. This error is because we have to use the function of length here. Now it will give us different outputs. It has given 0, 1, 2. It has returned the indices. This is the method of passing a list as an argument. Secondly, if we pass the list as an argument, then after computation of function, sometimes we will get a list as a return. So how to return that and treat it? How to return back a list? In the same program, I will make a few changes. In the same function, I have made another list. I give 4 more names of fruits. What it will do, it will append in the previous list. We will take first index of list 1 and will append in food and will return back. The list which we have updated, we will use it as return argument, where our function is being called and will print out that. We have passed the list of fruits to the list of food. The food parameter has received the list, and in the same function there is another list, which is made with the name of list 1. What we want, the list we had before and the list which is coming in function. We want to append means merge them and print it out. We placed a loop on our list, used append function and returned back updated fruit list. If I am going to print out, it will print out a new list. Apple, banana, cherry. In our actual list, it added watermelon, juice, chicken. It appended and returned back. We received this in a new list. Now it has printed all our elements line by line. This is the method of passing a list as an argument, and after argument how to return back from any function after computation. All our elements it has printed individually or separately. If I am going to run this, it has printed all individual elements. This is passing a list an argument, and after passing how processing is done. And if we want to return back list, then how can we do that?